Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you how to clear the DNS cache on your Mac. Flushing the DNS cache can help solve certain internet issues, such as websites not loading correctly, outdated website information, or connection problems. To get started, click the Spotlight search icon in the top right corner of your screen. You can also press Command and Space on your keyboard to open Spotlight instantly. Type Terminal into the search bar, then click on Terminal when it appears in the results. Once Terminal opens, you'll need to enter a command that clears the DNS cache. Type sudo dsc cacheutil -flushcache. After that, add a second command, which is sudo killall -hup mDNSResponder. The first command clears the stored DNS records, while the second refreshes the DNS service so the changes take effect right away. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more Mac and iPhone guides. It helps support the channel and lets you stay updated with future tutorials. Now, return to Terminal and run the commands. You can type them manually or paste them if you already have them copied. Press Enter when you're ready. Your Mac will ask for your administrator password. As you type, you won't see any characters appear on the screen, which is normal. Enter the password carefully and press Enter again. The commands will run in the background and usually finish within a few seconds. In most cases, you won't see a confirmation message, but that's expected. Once the process is complete, your DNS cache has been cleared and refreshed. If you still experience network issues afterward, you can try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network or restarting your web browser to ensure everything updates properly. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video. I hope this guide helped you clear the DNS cache on your Mac. See you in the next tutorial.